everybody, welcome to Savi's Palette. My name is Savita and today is May 10th, 2020 and it's Mother's Day. And my mom has been in my mind all day today. And if there's one person who has greatly influenced me in life, not just with cooking but in all aspects of life, it's my mom. She was a very strong woman, very compassionate, and was always super kind and generous to people. She was also an amazing cook, so everything she made was super tasty. And I learned all my cooking skills from her. And she would teach me certain aspects of cooking which has been invaluable to me. So in tribute to her and in memory of her, she passed away about 15 years back. I want to show you all one of my all-time favorite dishes of hers. It's a very simple, very easy salad, but it's a cooked salad. It's made from type of beans called Avarekal or Lilva beans. So let's go ahead and get started. So the star of this dish is this type of beans, which is called Avarekal in my language. It's called Surti Papdi Lilva. It's also a type of Indian flat beans. And it's always nice to have tender ones for this dish. So in India, we get this Avarekal fresh, and we pick out all the tender beans and use that for this salad. And here in US, I'm really lucky to get these frozen Papdi Lilva beans, and they are really nice and tender. As you can see here, I have about a cup of these beans. 3/4 cup of peanuts, which I'm going to use in the salad, and we have about 2 green chilies finely chopped, and I have about 2 teaspoons of chopped curry leaves, and a couple of tablespoons of chopped cilantro. You can use as much as you want. I have about 1/4 cup of frozen coconut which I have thawed, and about half a lemon squeezed out. So we're going to go ahead and cook these beans in the microwave. I usually typically just cook it in the microwave with some water and salt. It takes about 5 to 8 minutes for it to get completely cooked. I do the same with the peanuts. I cook them in the microwave. So let's go ahead and start cooking them. I had about a cup or so of water, have some salt, and we'll pop it into the microwave. Here is the cooked and drained out beans. I'm going to take the groundnuts, peanuts in a container, pour some water to cover it, add some salt. We're going to pop it in the microwave for about 5 to 8 minutes. Okay, both the peanuts and the beans are cooked. You really want to make sure that both of these are cooked well. You don't want them to be too soft, like they break in your hand, but they need to be boiled and cooked well. Let's take it to the stove and finish up the dish. I have the pan heating up here right now, so I'm going to add about a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. We are going to go ahead and make a seasoning of mustard seeds. About just half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. We'll wait for that to sputter, and we'll add some asafoetida. So I'll just close this up. Okay, the mustard seeds are sputtering. To this, I'm going to add the green chilies and the curry leaves. We're going to mix that up and fry it up for a little bit, 2 seconds. So it's all nice and fried. And we'll add our So we'll mix this with the spices. I'll add about half a teaspoon of salt. Mix this up. Close the lid and let it cook in the spices for about 2 minutes. So I have let this cook for about 3 minutes with the lid closed, and it's nice and cooked. So to this we're going to add about 2 teaspoons of cilantro and a couple of teaspoons of coconut. And we also add about half lemon. And once you add these last 3 ingredients, we're going to again close the lid, let it sit for just a couple of minutes at very low heat so all the flavors come together well. Okay, I'm going to turn off the stove and move it to here. Okay, my Avarekal Usli or salad with Indian flat beans and peanuts is ready. As you can tell, it's nice and shiny. It's important to have that little bit of moisture to keep it nice and shiny. I'm gonna go ahead and taste this. Serve myself in this little container. And let's taste it. It's nice and spicy. I like it spicy, so I put in 2 green chilies for this amount. Definitely can modify that. All the spices, lemon juice, salt, cilantro, coconut, modify it to your tasting. But what's key is once you add the last 3 ingredients, the coriander, lemon juice and coconut, you should keep it on the stove with the lid closed for about a couple of minutes at very low heat so the flavors all get into it. This by far is my all-time favorite dish of my mom. I haven't seen anybody else make it, especially this way, and I'm so happy to share it with all of you on this Mother's Day. And thank you so much for watching Savi's Palette, and I hope you get to try this and let me know what you think. Like, share and comment, and I hope to share more of my mom's recipes with all of you. Thank you again for watching. Bye-bye.